So I'm going to do start now. All right, so I'm going to say switch Google Ads account, Google account. So I want to use this account for my Google Ads. Yeah, good. So I'm going to pick any of these accounts. Let's say I decide to choose this account because I already have Google Ads account. So this is the ads account I want to use for this training. Now, what I just showed you, not everybody is going to show you that. You're supposed to switch to an expert mode for you to harness every good features about Google. Now, Google is going to bring me in here. So from here, I need to select what I actually want to do on Google. I want to create a campaign. So I must be on campaign section. I'm on campaign. So I will come down to this section that says create new campaign. So when I click on it, it's going to show me two options. Am I trying to load a last campaign I was trying to create, probably that has not been completed, or I want to start from scratch? I don't want to load the previous campaigns. I want to start from scratch for the sake of this training. So I'm going to click new campaign. So when you click on new campaign, it's going to bring you in here. You have different objectives ranging from sales, leads, traffic, website traffic, product and brand consideration, brand awareness and reach, app promotion, local stores and promotions, create a campaign without a goal guidance. So I'm going to ask myself, first of all, I need to know what I want to achieve creating my Google Ads. Yeah, you must know what you want to achieve creating your Google Ads. So for that reason, let's assume I want to make sales, I want to draw traffic, I want to do a lot of things on my ads. So everyone, you have all the objectives to play around. Now, for the sake of this training, I'm going to be taking you through another deep secret about Google Ads, which is coming here and choosing create a campaign without a goal guidance. All right, somebody's going to ask me, why do you have to choose that? Is it choose a campaign type first without a recommendation based on your objective? So I'm going to choose that. I'm going to click on continue. So remember, I chose this, create a campaign without a goal guidance. All right, in the future, while you watch this video to the end, I'm going to be showing you the reason why I actually choose this option. So I need you to stay on this video to the end of the video. You're going to be seeing the main secret, the main reason why I actually choose this, and how it's going to affect the productivity or the ROI on your ads, the return on investment. Yeah, for those that do not really know what ROI means return on investment. Means that for every dollar you spend creating an ad, because this is Google Ads, you need to spend dollars here. Every dollar you spend creating Google Ads, let's assume I spend a $50 creating a particular ad, I should be getting $1,000 in returns from my from the product I advertised on Google. Yeah, so you say you have a very good ROI, return on investment. All right, it wants you to select a campaign type. We've already selected an objective. The objective we selected is, we said create a campaign without a goal guidance. So I want to select a campaign type. We have different campaign types ranging from search. Now, what search? I'm going to be explaining this in details. Now, let's assume I want to buy a shoe, a black shoe precisely, exactly like this, such that when people search for a particular keywords, your ad is going to show up like this, right? So this kind of ads is called a search network. So I'll go to the next one. This has to do with, it's a reach audiences across all Google with single ads. This has to do with displays. Most of the time, let's assume you have things like this. You go to some websites, maybe how display ads show up. Now look at it. This is an example of display ads. These are banners that are being put on a particular website, either by Google or the owner of the blog or website. Now, this is not by Google. I'm going to show you the one that belongs to Google now. Now, this is an ad created by Google. Did you just see that? Ads by Google. This kind of ad is called a display ad. Now, when I click on this kind of ads, it automatically takes me to the website or the landing page owned by these people that actually created these ads. So, but for the sake of this class, I'm going to be running through the kind of ad called search ad. In my next videos, because I'm going to be doing a series on Google Ads, I'm going to be talking about search, I'm going to be talking about performance. I will have a video on display as well, a video on shopping, a video on this, a video on this and this and this and that. So there are lots and lots of secrets I'm going to be revealing and how they perform when it comes to giving you what good ROI.